Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to find a save game location for the Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. So you want to go to this PC, local disk C, users, and here you want to open the whatever it says here. If it says, for me, it says Log 3. For you, it will say whatever your name of the PC is. You want to click on this, and now you can paste the code that I put in the description, where you just paste this code into the taskbar and you change your username with yours, if you get it. So you put here Note 3, and after you click on that, and the save files will be there. Also, you can go, after you've done all of that, go back to local disk C users, and you want to go to AppData and Local, and then you want to find here, you want to find the folder called Dinner, and you want to open it. And you want to click saved, and you want to click config, and then Windows, and there will be GameUserSettings.ini, and you want to right click on it and open it with the notepad. And in this folder will be all the settings for the game. Now you know how to find the location for the save files and the configuration files. That's it for this video. That's how you find save files and configuration files for the Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.